We are the Group 4 reporters. So today, we will teach you how to create accurate 2D views in 3D objects in CAD. So let my co-reporters explain it to you so you will understand it very well. The first reporter who will explain about orthographic would be Ardel Pansakala.
So, good day everyone. So, my topic for today is all about principles of orthographic projection. Orthographic projection is a method used in technical drawing to show a 3D object on 2D paper using several views like front, top, and side views. So, there are three common principles of orthographic projection. So, first we have parallel projection lines. These lines used to project the object are parallel to each other. So, example aning parallel is ana. So, these are two lines nga never met with each other. So, dili sila pwede mo ana. Dili sila pwede mag-crossing. Dili pwede kanang magtagbo sila. And another example of this is kanang karsada. So, ang karsada, na siya two edges. Na siya tulo sa isig katumoy. Like for example, ana man ang karsada, no? So, never sila tagbo, never sila mag-ana kay ana sa may asang agyang skyanan. So although nana siya crossing, like for example kanang kabantay mo na sa sangi na ana na crossing, so pero dili nagi po na siya two edges, dili gyud po na sila magtagbo. So mao na ang parallel projection lines. Second is perpendicular to the plane. So the projection lines are drawn at 90 degrees to the drawing plane. So as I said, 90 degrees. So, ang porma ng perpendicular line, perpendicular to the plane is L. Ana siya, L. 90 degrees na siya. Never na siya maana or maana. So, ang nakabutang dire is 90 degrees to the drawing plane. And lastly, we have multiple views. The object is shown from different sides, usually front, top, and right side. So, ang kaning multiple views, mao ni siya ang orthographic. Sa atong mga past nga drawing sa una is maghimo ta og multiple views. Dira na to makita ang front view sa imuhang object, ang top view sa imuhang object, and ang right side view sa imuhang object. So overall, kung imo ni siyang usahon ng kaniyang multiple views, makabuo ka og object or kanang isometric drawing. So that's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Revincent P. Milbo. Drawing front, top, side view using CAD. Students learn how to use CAD's tools to create this standard view for technical drawing. Next reporter is Algie Wapper.
Students practice by making orthographic drawings of simple object. Example as cube. Example of cube is front view is a square, and top view is a square, and side view is a square. And another example sa cylinder. Cylinder is front view is a rectangle, and top view is a circle, and side view is a rectangle.
Hi everyone, my name is Jerome Lunesa. By the end, students should be able to construct the accurate three views. The orthographic drawing, typically from the front view, top view, and side view. And the next reporter will be Abangan, the sectional views and hatching.
Sectional views and hatching. This section focuses on showing internal details of object that can't be seen in standard views. So ang kaning sectional views and hatching kay nagfocus siya sa pagpakita sa mga ubang detalye sa object nga dili nimo makita sa usa ka view.
Hey guys, ako din si Kirby Kapugnason. So akong topic na kay full, half, broken out sections. So these are the different types of sectional views used to show the inside parts of an object by cutting it in various ways. So yang gamit din guys, kana din siyang mo din siya ang klase-klase nga sections para gamiton sa kapag cutting sa object. So para makita na to ang sod. So itatagsa na siya og explain sa mga kauban kung sa ilang mga gamit.
Only one half is cut, showing both inside and outside. So kanin na din ay two types di ay sa kaning inside o outside. Sa inside kay kitawag siya og internal features, din sa outside kitawag og external features. Diyon sa internal features are the parts of an object that are hidden from view on the outside. Sa kung sa drawing pa gitawag siya og kuan section view or kuan hidden lines mo na siya. Diyon sa kuanta sa external features. External features are the visible outside surfaces and shape of an object in drawing. They are called visible lines and or solid lines or kana dark lines mo na sila. Mo ni external features. Ano na, thank you.
Okay, so broken out section. In technical drawing, broken out section is a view that removes a small irregular portion of an existing view to expose in interior details without creating a spirit section view. So kanina focus ani siya is kanang nga dagmay nga suwat-suwat nga dili na importante paon para mas ma-highlight ang importante nga imuhang gi-draw.
What is orthographic drawing? Orthographic drawing is basically a way of showing a 3D object in 2D form using different views. Na sila gitawag na tulo ka view na ay front view o top view o right side view. Mura ra ka nag-post ka o selfie ba na ay flat lay o side profile para makita ang kulog nimo pero sa object sa in a short orthographic drawing, technical drawing na naay multiple flat views sa object. For example, drawing ka og sa front view makita ang height o curve. Sa top view kay makita ang circle ra siya. Sa right side view kay same ra murag front pero.
Good day everyone. My topic is students create sectional drawing using CAD software. So unsa man ang CAD software? CAD software stands for computer aided. Mao ni diri siya nag-simplify sa computer program. Mao ni mga tao nga gamit sila nga mag-draw or mag-design. Example, sa mga architect or engineering, dili na sila maghinanglan og plate kay nga naman kailangan naman sila online dito na sila magbutang mag-drawing using CAD na mao na madali nilang buhaton kaysa sa mag-drawing nga dagag hassle. Gamit kani siya sa mga architect yun kaya mao gini mas nindot ilang gamiton kay dili na sila mag-drawing, dili na sila magamit og ballpen or unsa pa na mga gamit sa pang-drawing or lapis mga ana. So mao pa ni dire pod pwede po ka maghimog floor plan sa floor plan niya. Pwede po ka dire sa mag-design kag sa balay. Then na ka tawag na nang mag-design ka gamit ang CAD. So mao to. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Mark Joseph Bennett and I will report outcome. Outcome should be able to produce sectionary drawings with appropriate hatching pattern line showing the cut area. This outcome means we should be able to produce sectionary drawings which show the inside view of object after it is being cut along a certain plane. This drawing helps us understand the hidden part and inner details of a design. We also need to use hatching with our patterned or slanted lines used to mark the area where the cut happens. For example, if a cube is sliced of half, the sectional drawings will show the inside of the cube and hatching line will will be added to highlight the cut surface. This making the drawing clearly more accurate and easier to understand for engineer, architects, or anyone reading it.